In this video, I will show how to enable Draw tab in Microsoft Word. So as we can see, we have this Draw tab and you can draw anything here. So to enable this Draw tab, File, then Options, and here click on Customize Ribbon. Then make sure this Draw tab is selected. In case it's not selected, so select it and click on OK. So you will see this Draw tab will appear here and you can draw. Similarly, if you open the new tab or new Word document, so you can access easily. Just click on Draw and draw. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.